After a long break, I'm finally launching my new book today, Building Small Language Models from Scratch. Let me share a small story behind how this book was born. As we approach the end of 2025, many of us look back at the resolutions we set for ourselves. I did the same last year. In early 2024, I made a simple promise to myself: I will build my own language model from scratch. But when I actually started learning, I ran into the same frustrations many of you might have faced. One, most resources were either too basic, you learn nothing new, or too advanced, you lose motivation halfway. Second, many assumed you already know neural networks, PyTorch, transformers, and all the fundamentals. Third, and most content, especially research papers, only shows the final polished model, not the messy, confusing, real-world journey behind it. So, after spending nearly 1.5 years on this path, giving up many times, restarting many times, and eventually building multiple small and mid-scale language models, this book is the result of everything I wished I had when I started. This book is built on experience, not just theory. If learning how to build a small language model is one of your goals, this book is for you. And if you're a complete beginner who wants to start from ground zero, this book is especially for you. I assume nothing. Inside the book, I teach Foundations from Scratch, how neural networks actually work. PyTorch, starting from absolute basics, topics no one explains clearly. How GPUs really work, the full journey of collecting and preparing a high-quality dataset, the most ignored step in LLM training. Advanced concepts almost no beginner-friendly book covers. Key-value cache, multi-query attention, grouped query attention, quantization, mixture of experts, rotary position embedding, RMS norm, and many more. A book written the way I wished others were written. Every single line of code explained, every architectural choice justified. No assumptions, no skipping steps, no research paper style vagueness. Finally, the book ended up being 854 pages long. The book is an honest reflection of what I learned over the last 18 months. The mistakes, the breakthroughs, the failures, and the wins. If any of this resonates with you, this book is for you. It's now available on Gumroad and Leanpub and will soon be available on Amazon as well. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy reading, and here's to building something extraordinary in the coming year.